I'm going to show you how the payment system works within our website. Some people get confused that you cannot use your own credit card. Our main payment system is PayPal, but you can use credit cards as well. So let's have a look at that. So let's go into the manual range, and I'm going to select product. And here I go into, so I've selected that. I want to add that and go to checkout. So I've already added that item. And here I have got two options. One is checkout and one is PayPal checkout. So I would, if you're going to use a card payment, not a PayPal, if you haven't got PayPal, you can click on that checkout box. Now, before you do that, you need to agree your terms, tick your boxes if you wanted to tick any of those boxes. So go to checkout. There you will actually put your details on, and then you have a continue button. Go to continue, and then you select your shipping and delivery methods. Mostly it will be next working day, free of charge over £30. And then you go to the next page. There you have got all the details of what you have put in, and you have got box here, which is just, it cannot be clicked on, it just gives you the payment method. And at the bottom, you have got a PayPal option again, or the card option. These are clickable buttons. So if you wanted to pay by Amex or MasterCard, let me click on MasterCard. This box will pop up. And that's where you would put your card details. You can put card details here, but if you go down here, this says save information and create your PayPal account, which is already ticked. You don't really want to, you have to untick this box if you don't want PayPal. So if you untick that box, you will find the continue button. And if you continue, then you can actually put the details there as well. If you haven't already done that, you can actually put the details there. And that's basically it. And then you would continue to make the payment. So it's important to click this button. If it is already clicked, as it will show it as blue. And if you unclick it, it will allow you to use your card to go on to the next level. So I hope that is clear. And hopefully you will be able to work it out. If you can't find the button, or if you have any problems, please give us a call or send us an email, and we can contact you and take payment by card, or you can chat to us or come on Zoom as well. Thank you for watching.